Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you never if you never see me, it's Kimmy.
I hope you know my for the tagging. You know this cookie's for the bagging. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with ya. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with ya. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town to hit with ya.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you never see me, it's Kimmy, and we're back again with the next video. We have Brianna. She's about to come into the video, but
so KP on the move.
Yes, Josiah, tell them. So today we have
Josiah. Long time no see.
Yes, we have Ronaldo. And we also have Brianna. I don't know what's wrong with her. Hey, I don't know why Brianna not giving me a hug. Maybe she don't want none of her girlfriends to get jealous. But who cares? And then the birthday girl, she's coming out soon. Hi, Auntie. I'm good. How are you? I'm the driver. Yes. The speed limit, Josiah?
Make sure we drive safe when we don't crash.
So we can follow it over the speed
course.
limit. And that's not safe.
I use my blinkers, 2 hands on the wheel. Yes. Eyes on the road all the time.
Yes. You won't. I promise. They don't know who we're
Surprisingly, you. Everything on Kimmy today, I know for a fact.
Guys, and the birthday.
No, you got that.
The birthday girl, she'll be back. That was her.
Nah, them shoes right there. You got it for him right there.
What's that though?
These are Asics.
For real?
Yeah.
And now, so yeah, who?
You gotta cut that shit out.
Guys, I don't know. Word in the streets is that one of Brianna's girlfriends got her D's.
Bro, you gotta cut that shit out.
Brianna, which one? Josiah and Ronaldo mixed it for that though. It wasn't even me. So where you guys been?
You know, working, going to school. For a fact.
And your dread's still short. Hi, I'm Colin's friend. What's your name?
Tavon.
Tavon.
What's yours?
Kimberly.
Nice to meet you.
You're Colin's cousin?
Yeah.
Coming back to church.
Whenever they're coming, I'm coming. When are you guys going back to church? Next week, Sunday? Yes, Brianna.
I was getting my hair done Sunday.
What hair? Now Colin is back. This is a birthday boy, guys.
Please check the date when they're coming to church. Make sure you guys make it.
Right.
I think we all. So guys, right now we're with. Yes, tell them again. Yep, KP on the move. Guys, so let me start them. Okay, guys, KP on the move.
Hold on, chat. The birthday boy, you already know how it is. You feel me? It's my birthday.
So it's the birthday girl.
Alright, bro. Now, what up with y'all? We about to go to Stanford. We about to go to the RP Raceway, feel me? We gonna get lit, we gonna have fun. We're gonna see who the best driver out of all of us, feel me? And yeah, straight like that. Keep me know I see you on the hot too.
I'm just on the break to stop soon. She might cuss you out.
Not me, she cussing y'all out.
So I got you guys some treats. I like this one.
Got you, brothers.
Y'all know who this girl is.
Alright, guys, I also brought something, guys, you know. Gonna have fun, like, guys, you know, just. Oh, you talking about what's her name? Oh, sorry, never mind. I can't name drop in the video, but.
Oh, but when it was me.
No. Brianna, she did it to herself. She did. Wait, how much you pay for this? This shit hard. Speed. Repeat to all the people that died for me. R.I.P.
Also with what? I didn't even start yet. So let me tell you guys the idea. So I'm currently driving and I'm about to speed up, lock my eyes and let go the wheel while I drive. And Brianna and Ronaldo is supposed to direct me.
Alright, I'm ready. What? Nah, y'all playing.
Brianna ready. Telling you to. Why is Zion quiet? Now I have to do it. So tell me when you guys ready. Josiah and
It's gonna be harder when you do this curve. So yeah.
I'm currently at 80. I'm about to wait till I get to 120. And I'll speed up.
Alright.
Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
This guy, what the fuck?
I'm about to do it again. But I have to speed up first. Alright, doing it now.
Go down real fast.
Don't speed up.
Hey, bro.
Opening my eyes now. That wasn't bad. It's still alive. Let me go behind the truck and then you guys So we're 5 minutes away from the place. Almost there.
I want 5 minutes. Bro, it's not that far, bro.
It is calling. Might as well we'll go to New York.
Shit.
That's the combo kit. I only got the camera. And you know I should have got the combo kit, but I was like rushing to check out. Didn't do my research.
How much more is it? $100?
$100 more. And then after I bought it, huh? And camera, wide thing. Yes, it come with everything. I had to buy everything separate. No, I didn't get the mic yet. I don't think I need a mic. I bought the thing to hold the camera. I don't know.
Nigga, you sit 2 inches from the steering wheel. Why are you talking to me?
You have to be like tall to be able to drive with your lead.
For you, big brother.
Wait, Colin, how?
Chat, I'm really 20, alright? Don't listen to this nigga. I'm literally fucking 20, alright?
And how tall are you?
I'm 5'4", chat. You know, I'm a short little nigga, but like, you me?
Oh
I'm
my
5'4".
God.
He said he 5'1".
Oh, you're short?
Yes.
Say, oh my God.
It's okay. I don't know what to tell you, Colin.
Kimmy, let me take the wheel.
I don't know what to tell you.
Right, if you stretch.
Yo, just always wear sneakers with platforms. So right now we're deciding on, I guess Colin wants to do both the racing and the bowling, right?
Gel blasters, bowling, anything. I don't give a fuck to it.
And Ronaldo, his dreads are still short. Brianna start after him and pass him up.
Nigga, because she had more hair than me. What do you mean? She had more hair than me. She's a girl. At the end of the day, she's a female.
My dreads, I just have mine in 2 strands. You know what I'm saying?
My shit is down here.
Yeah,
That's not short.
your beard's struggling to grow. Nice sweatsuit though, for real, nice sweatsuit.
Touching your neck, yo. What are you touching your neck?
But no, what touch him like in the dreads?
Come on.
I like how you're picking up with him. Wait, why you cut your hair design? Why you cut your hair? I don't know.
Like it,
Yeah, it don't. There's nothing wrong with it, so I can't vote.
I've been talking.
But wait, so why you grow it to cut it? Like, what was the point? Yeah, show us. Oh shoot, yes, girl, swing it, guys. So I'm betting money that I feel like your cousin might win, and then I think Brianna might come second and Colin might come third. Brianna, who do you think is going to win the race? Yvonne, I think so too. Colin, who do you think is going to win the race?
Me, but
This is a birthday girl speaking, guys.
alright. First of all, I'm a nigga. I can show y'all my dick right now. Come on. But me gonna win.
Brianna rich as my girl got money on, even the sneakers. Okay, my girl got money.
You took out your whole wallet?
Why do we need these?
You just wear them on like over your head for the helmets.
Do I have to wear it? It's mandatory.
The track will make you wear them. I personally don't wear them, but it's just I have my own helmet as well. So.
Oh, okay. And then let's see. The price is $74.32. And what does this consist of today?
So that consists of your race, bowling, and your gel blasters.
Perfect. $74.32. Let's swipe the card, guys. Decline. Womp.
The bar and the restaurant they close at like 9:30.
Woo!
So you just keep these so that you can go down to bowling and for the gel blasters.
About to get all the girls. So do we put this on right now, right?
Why is it?
Brianna already thinking about choosing.
You wore your Nike one? God, look at the haircut though. Hey, good.
This for you.
Oh my gosh, that was so naff. I'm done. I'll see you guys soon because the camera is about to die and we didn't even race yet. I guess they have lockers where we can keep our stuff. Thumbnail. So guys, first we're doing bowling. You guys already know who's about to win because when it comes on to bowling, I do not play. Which one is ours? And why they didn't give us bowling shoes? What the hell wrong with them? You guys already know who's about to win the bowling though. Exactly, that's what I just said, Ronaldo. No bowling shoes.
I do not need shoes.
It's $5.
It's easier.
No bowling shoes.
Nah. She not good. Why you trying to embarrass me today?
You just said you wanna fight.
Why is she trying to embarrass me today, boy?
Let's play a boxing game.
Nah. I'll go first.
Yeah, I just boxed you, so your turn. I didn't catch
turn.
that. Hold on.
You're right.
Wait, I have to make. Wait, no, that's it. I'm done. I cannot. I'm KP on the move, and we're about to get moving.
hype.
Damn. That ball was actually good. I think I was the problem. So we're going to use it again this time.
You're not good.
So it's Zion.
Wait, so what?
I'm your cameraman. It's all about you.
Guys, I just bowled for Zion. It was not my turn, bro. Now when it's my turn, I might not even win. I only get lucky one time. A birthday girl bowling with her.
Wait till it's my turn to go.
Oh, what the fuck kind of weird shit?
Oh, that's why that happened. I can't believe this. You knock yours down or no?
I'm not like.
Okay, your cousin can bowl.
God.
Woo! It was warm up. Now I'm ready to play. Oh my gosh, that is Brianna. I know you just saw that. I almost won. Which one?
I think.
Nah, Kim, you gotta go again.
Oh, 2 times.
Oh, we lost again. This is disappointing.
No, our race is at 9:50.
If you guys still haven't Brianna, you like being a cameraman?
Yeah.
If you guys still haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also click the thumbs up button and comment down below.
Subscribe me.
Comment down below if you guys would want to go. Tell me if you guys like Ronaldo's hair. I like it. It's fire.
First time trying this shit.
I'm kind of hungry.
Can I stop now or keep going?
No, you're good.
Keep bowling while on the phone. While on the phone. Talk to him.
This one.
Playing for Tim.
Kim, Sharon about to fall under pressure. Okay, acting bad. Alright, Design about to finish it out. Come on, nigga. He about to try and be the cleanup crew. He about to try. He gotta try. No. He about to try and nigga got on no bowling shoes and still bowling bad. I never heard of that shit before. Nigga, that game wasn't even done. That wasn't even done. You won that one? Now this is his try right now. No, bro. You have on no bowling shoes, brother. Come on, bro. You can't be missing like that.
I gotta go for the title.
Nigga, you gotta go for a strike. This nigga got 7 up on the board. He need to go for a strike, nigga, cause if he fold, he better locked in. One more, nigga. If he about to get the last one.
Make sure it's tight.
Hey,
If it's
yeah.
tight, you don't want it tight.
Treat that bitch.
You want low.
Yeah, I get that. I feel 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 that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. That nigga not get the last one, but it's straight. Okay, okay, okay. My nigga CT. CT in the building. Fuck you, chocolate, nigga. No. Let me get something, bro. I need a strike, bro. I ain't see nobody getting no strike. I get a strike, please. 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 Is that a gutter? Is that a gutter? Is that a gutter, bro? Is that a gutter, bro? Boom shakalaka. Kid got like what? 6. Let me get 1. Boom. Who next on the board? That boy Tato. What up with that boy Tato? Fuck, he about to pull out his sleeve. Okay. We like that. We appreciate that. Don't worry about it. It's never a bad, but we appreciate all the bad shit. Me, fuck you time out. Hell nah. That boy ain't smoked, that's why. Hey, I feel that one. I feel that one. I feel that one. I feel that one. Hey, who else? Brianna, come on. Who this for now? Let me know who this one for. I need you to say, yeah, this for mommy right here, nee. Fuck you time out. But you know that was for the last ex. She said that was for the last ex. What last ex? What's her name? What did you start with? Where she work at? What's the first name?
I know what you're
I got you, brother. What you got? What you got for us today? What? Talk to them. Let me see what they got, nigga.
Oh, it's sled.
Real cleanup crew, bro. You already know how it go. Nah, though.
Oh.
Nah, so you got Kimmy with a good one, but not yeah. Kimmy, you feel nice, though.
I gotta get a strike for myself now.
Camera on you. That pressure. Camera's on you, that pressure.
Diamonds made under pressure.
Camera's on you, that pressure.
Pressure.
What you about to do? Camera on you, what you about to do?
Diamonds made under pressure.
Oh, nah. He got shoes on. He got shoes on and shit. Niggas not, feel me? Clean up crew. He not clean up crew. Fuck we talk about.
Nigga!
Not clean up crew. No, though.
I ain't trying to hear all of that, man. Alright, bro. My boy CT. Go clean that shit up though. Go clean that shit up though. Go clean that shit up. I look at the parlay after this and
Hey, this for all the people who got parlay on me.
yeah, you know what I'm saying? Go clean that up though. Oh shit. What he about to do? He does.
What?
He toss. Oh.
Yep. Thank you. Yep. And the Sprites. Yep. 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 Alright.
So Kimmy about to go right now. She about to fucking miss. Watch this.
This one is for you guys. KP on the move.
She don't fuck with y'all niggas for real. I told you. How is that for them when you're cheering? You haven't hit one pin.
Next one. This is for you guys.
So one is for
One
them.
is better than none.
I know that's right.
I'm out. So guys, I had to take my hair down so I can put the cap on. I feel very claustrophobic wearing stuff like this, so I don't know. Right now, I don't like how this feels. Brianna, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Don't play with us.
Thinking
That hurt? Your turn. Them left. Is that or race? 950. Is that or race? So, sure. That's not or race.
This is our number, nigga. Look at the
Colin, why are you raising your voice at me?
I'm sorry, kid.
Lips dry. This stretching my head out. Hold on. Guys, so we just finished racing and I came in last place, but who cares? Because I still did a very good job. Zion came in first place.
Big first place. Get big first place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I swear you was at first.
Who came second? Ronaldo, not bad.
Bro, they're trying to speed down.
I came fourth.
That was at the beginning part of the race.
I think I came first or fourth. Guys, so we made it to the end of the video. For those of you guys who did make it to the end and you're watching this right now, thanks for watching KP on the Move. Before you guys finish the video, subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and comment down below if you guys ever went go-kart racing before and if you would. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We didn't do much, but we did something. And yeah, go and watch the last couple of videos and just so you can become a part of the family. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Guys, so we just finished racing and I came in last place, but who cares? Because I still did a very good job. Zion came in first place.
Big first place. Get big first place.
Who came second? We're not bad.
Bro, they're trying to speed down.
I came fourth.
That was at the beginning part of the race.
I think I came first or fourth. Guys, so we made it to the end of the video. For those of you guys who did make it to the end and you're watching this right now, thanks for watching KP on the Move. Before you guys finish the video, subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and comment down below if you guys ever went go-kart racing before and if you would. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We didn't do much, but we did something. And yeah, go and watch the last couple of videos and just so you can become a part of the family. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.